Hey guys, today we are in 2012 Audi Q3 with RMC system and xenon lights, and I'm going to try to enable daytime running lights settings from the MMI, from the RMC system. So if you press car and go into vehicle settings and scroll down to exterior lighting, there's no option for the daytime running lights, but hopefully we can enable that with OBDeleven, which I have over here, and it's already connected to the car. So we are going to control unit list. We are entering control module 09, and over here we are going to long coding. And from here we are switching to the bit byte view, so looking for the byte number 15. This is 12, 13, 14, 15, and enable bit number 7. That's it. Slide to right, and I believe that's it. We can disconnect from the car, and right now we should have the new option over here. So let's check if it's available, and here it is, daytime running lights. We can switch them off and on if you need to. If you need to turn them off for some reason, now you can do it without turning off your car. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up if you liked this simple tutorial and subscribe for future ones. See you soon.